Oi, Savaloy, it's your boy Camel here, and this is yet another TPT requested by Rodrigo Cardoso. Here we have Cream and Big disguised as a bottom-heavy version of Vanilla to enter a pie eating contest against the Bandicoot sisters, where the winner wins a hot spring for chows. There's even a burp inflation sequence where Big blows up the dress and makes Cream look like an overweight Vanilla, with Cream lip-syncing to his burp. If y'all like this sexy disguise, give this video a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Over and out.